Now, how will you find out the area of the given triangle if the ratio of the sides is given? So, first of all, you will consider the first side, second side, third side along with x. So, it means you will assume it's a x. So, there I have written here is a question. So, let us say sides of a triangle are in the ratio of 12:17:25 and its perimeter is 540 centimeter. Find its area. Now solution, let the first side of the triangle is equal to 12x. Second side of the triangle is equal to 17x. Third side of the triangle is 25x. So when anything it should be given in ratio, then it can be taken in the form of x. So here I have written it. So we know that the sum of all sides of a triangle is known as perimeter. Triangle के तीनों साइड का सम perimeter कहलाता है. So that's why I have written it is. So after adding these three sides, you will get the perimeter. So 12x plus 17x plus 25x equal to, now the perimeter is given here, it's a 540. So after adding you will get it's a 540, it is already given. So after adding 12x, 17x, 25x, you will get it's a 54x. So 54x is equal to 540, afterward 540 upon 54, after cancellation you will get it's a 10. So the value of x is coming 10. Now therefore you can consider it's the first side of the triangle, it's a 12x. So the value of x it is 12. So here 12x is equal to 12 multiplied by 10. In place of x I have written it's a 10. So 12 10 is 120 centimeter. Second side is equal to 17x. 17 multiplied by 10, it means 170 centimeter. Third side it's a 25x. So 25 multiplied by 10, you will get it's a 250 centimeter. Now find out the semi-perimeter. So semi-perimeter is equal to sum of sides divided by 2. Or you can say that half of perimeter is known as semi-perimeter. So the value of A, B and C I have taken from here. It's a 120 plus 170 plus 250 upon 2. So after adding all these three, you will get it's a 540, which is already here also given 540. So 540 upon 2, you will get it's a 270. Now after that, area of triangle, how will you find out? S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S, the value of S, we have already find out. It's a 270. Afterward 270 minus first side, it's a 120. Second side we have find it's a 170. Third side we have already find out it's a 250. So afterward here it's a 270. 270 minus 120, you will get it's a 150. 270 minus 170, you will get it's a 100. Here after subtracting you will get it's a 20. So after doing the factors of 270, you will find it's a 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. So let us check it, and afterward do the factors of 150. So 150 का factor आप करोगे, then you will get it's a 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. After that do the factors of 100. So 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Then 20. 2 into 2 into 5. Now here you will see that 1 2 is here, second 2 is here. So one pair I have taken here, second pair, one more pair I have taken here, and the third pair is here. Now how many times it's a 3? It's a 1 pair, here it's a 2 pair. So I have taken it's a 3 into 3 2 times. 5, 1 pair, then here second pair, afterward here it's a third pair. So I have taken 5 into 5 3 times. So after multiplying all these numbers, you will get it's a 9000 centimeter square. Let us see one more question. It is from your NCERT book. And before this question, we have already discussed one more question from NCERT. So once again, one more question from NCERT. A rhombus shaped field has green grass for 18 cows. मतलब जो ग्रीन ग्रास का फील्ड है उसका शेप क्या है? रॉम्बस शेप. फॉर 18 काउज टू ग्रेज, मतलब वो जो रॉम्बस शेप का ग्रासी फील्ड है वो 18 काउज को चरने लायक है. मतलब 18 काउज के चरने के लिए उतनी वहां पे ग्रास है. इफ ईच साइड ऑफ द रॉम्बस इज 30 मीटर, रॉम्बस की ईच साइड 30 मीटर है एंड इट्स लॉन्गर डायगोनल इज 48 मीटर, और रॉम्बस का जो लॉन्गर डायगोनल है वो 48 मीटर है. सो हाउ मच एरिया ऑफ ग्रास फील्ड विल ईच काउ, यहाँ पे 18 काउस का दिया हुआ है बट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट ईच काउ, मतलब एक काउ जो है कितना घास खाएगी उसको हमें फाइंड करना है. सो लेट अस सी. So just you are knowing that rhombus, it is a parallelogram in which all sides are equal and parallel. So it means all sides will be 30 meter, 30 meter and 30 meter. So that's why this side it will be 30 meter, this side will be 30 meter, this side will be 30 meter and this side will also be 30 meter. So from here to here it will be the shorter diagonal and from A to C it's a longer diagonal. So that's why the length of longer diagonal it is given 48. अब you can take in triangle ABC. ABC triangle में लेते हैं. देखिएगा क्या है. Let A is equal to 30 meter, B is equal to 30 meter, C is equal to 48 meter. इसको मैंने A एज्यूम कर लिया, इसको मैंने B ले लिया, इसको मैंने C ले लिया. अब जो डायगोनल होता है रोम्बस का, वो रोम्बस को दो इक्वल एरिया में डिवाइड करता है. वेदर यू कैन ड्रॉ इट्स अ AC और यू कैन ड्रॉ इट्स अ BD. अगर आप BD को ड्रॉ करते हो तब भी जो है रोम्बस दो इक्वल एरिया में डिवाइड हो जाएगा, और AC को ड्रॉ करते हैं आप तब भी जो है दो इक्वल एरिया में डिवाइड हो जाएगा. इट मीन्स द एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC इट विल बी इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ADC. इसका एरिया इक्वल होगा. तो हमने किया क्या है, इसका एरिया फाइंड करते हैं और इसका एरिया फाइंड करने के बाद इसका डबल कर देंगे तो पूरे रोम्बस का एरिया मालूम हो जाएगा. क्योंकि इसका एरिया इक्वल है तो इसका एरिया फाइंड करके डबल कर दो तो पूरे फील्ड का एरिया मालूम हो जाएगा. देखते हैं कैसे फाइंड होगा. In triangle ABC, let A is equal to 30 meter, B is equal to 30 meter and C is equal to 48 meter. S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. So in place of A, it's a 30 meter, in place of B, it's a 30 meter, in place of C, it's a 48 meter. So after adding all these three, you will get it's a 108 upon 2. 108 upon 2, you will get it's a 54. After that, use the formula of area of triangle ABC. इस ट्राइंगल का एरिया आपको फाइंड करना, ये शेडेड पोर्शन दैट इज ABC. So use the formula it has S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Afterward putting the value of S, it's a 54, here it's a 54 minus 30, then 54 minus once again 30, then 54 minus 48, and afterward simplifying it. Now afterward area of triangle ABC 54 minus 30, which are written it's a downside, same thing either take it upside. 54 minus 30, 54 minus 48. So 54 as it is, 54 minus 30, 24, 54 minus 30, 24, 54 minus 48, you will get it's a 6. Now do the factors of 54. 3 into 3, 3 3 is 9, 9 6 is 54. Afterward 24 and 24, so you are not supposed to factorize it because you are already having a pair of 24. So you will leave it 24 as it is, and here it's a 6. Now you are getting it's a pair of 3, so that's why take out it's a 3. You are getting the pair of 6 also, it's a 6 and 6. You can take outside 24 and 24, so that's why you can take 24 outside. After multiplying all these three, you will get it's a 432 meter square. Now, here area of it's a ABC. We have find it's a 432 मीटर स्क्वायर. इसका एरिया हमने फाइंड कर लिया. इसका एरिया क्या होगा? इसी का मतलब जो ये एरिया है वही ये एरिया होगा. तो इसलिए मैंने 432 में 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया है. एरिया ऑफ रोम्बस ABCD निकल जाएगा. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव रिटन हियर एरिया ऑफ रोम्बस इज इक्वल टू 432 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2. You will get it's a 864 meter square. Now, since 18 cows graze the area of grass is equal to 864 meter square. So in your question it is asked about each cow. Each cow means होता है one cow. So that's why I have written here it's a one cow will graze area of grass is equal to 864 divided by 18. So after dividing, you will get it's a 48 meter square. Now let us see one more question. A fill is in the shape of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 meter and 10 meter. The non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter. So find the area of the fill. You have to find out the area of the fill. It's a trapezium shape. It's a fill whose parallel sides are 25 and 10. So this side from here to here it's a AB it is 25 meter, DC it is 10 meter. So AB and DC it's a parallel side. AD and BC it's a non-parallel side. So non-parallel side it is 14 centimeter and 13 centimeter. So I have taken it's a 14, here it's a 13 meter. And after that what I have done, BC के पैरेलल मैंने DE एक पैरेलल लाइन ड्रॉ किया. BC के पैरेलल DE मैंने एक पैरेलल लाइन ड्रॉ किया. तो जब पैरेलल लाइन ड्रॉ करोगे आप तो ये ऑलरेडी बताया हुआ है कि ये लाइन और ये लाइन पैरेलल है और ये मैंने बाय कंस्ट्रक्शन पैरेलल ड्रॉ किया. इट मींस EBCD इट्स अ पैरेललोग्राम. तो पैरेललोग्राम की क्वालिटी ये होती है कि अपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल है, पैरेलल होती है. तो अब ये 14 है तो ये भी 14 होगा क्योंकि इसका अपोजिट साइड ये हो गया. ये 10 है तो इसका अपोजिट साइड ये मतलब EB ये भी जो है 10 होगा. तो ये एक पैरेललोग्राम बन गया. तो जब ये पैरेललोग्राम बन गया तो उसी के बगल में आप देख रहे हो एक ट्राइंगल भी बन रहा है. कौन सा ट्राइंगल है? AED. अब उसमें साइड दिया हुआ है 13, एक दिया है 15. हाउ विल यू गेट 15? यहां से यहां तक 10 है, टोटल कितना है 25 में से 10 माइनस करोगे तो कितना बचेगा 15. सो दिस साइड इट विल बी 15 meter. So all the three sides of this triangle it is given. So that's why in triangle AED I have written let A is equal to 13 meter, B is equal to 15 meter. It means 25 minus 10, you will get it's a 15. C is equal to 14 meter. Now afterward, S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. So put the value of A, B and C, 13, 15, 14. So after adding, you will get it's a 42 upon 2. You will get after cancellation it's a 21. Now area of triangle AED, इसका एरिया फाइंड कर लेते हैं. तो ये हो जाएगा यूज द आयरन फॉर्मूला S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. The value of S we have find here 21. Here it's a 21 minus 13. Afterward 21 minus 15. Afterward 21 minus 14. So 21 I have written as it is. 21 minus 13 you will get it's a 8. 21 minus 15 you will get it's a 6. Then 21 minus 14 you will get it's a 7. And afterward factorize 21. So 3 into 7. After that 8. It's a 2 into 2 into 2. Afterward 6. It's a 2 into 3. 7 as it is. So see the pair. 2 into 2, one pair. Here is a 2 into 2, second pair. So 2 times you will take 2. Take out 2 times. And afterward you are looking here it's a 3 and here is also 3. So one pair of 3. Here is a 7, here is a 7. So you can take 7 here. After multiplying you will get it's a 84 मीटर स्क्वायर. अब एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल जब चैप्टर का शुरुआत मैंने किया था, जब चैप्टर स्टार्ट किया था मैंने, तो बताया था आप लोगों को कि एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल होता है 1/2 बेस इंटू हाइट. तो जब 1/2 बेस इंटू हाइट होता है तो इस ट्रायंगल का एरिया चाहे आप 1/2 बेस इंटू हाइट से निकालो या फिर हेरोन्स फॉर्मूला से निकालो, दोनों केस में एरिया इक्वल आएगा. तो यहाँ पे एरिया मैंने निकाल लिया इसका हेरोन्स फॉर्मूला यूज करके. अब जरा देखते हैं इस ट्रायंगल का हाइट क्या होगा यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला. बट वी नो दैट एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल इज इक्वल टू 1/2 बेस इंटू हाइट. So 1/2 base into height is equal to 84, this area. Afterward, this 2, it will be cross multiplied here. So 84 into 2. Afterward, b into h, base. So base of this triangle, it's a 15. इस ट्रायंगल का बेस कितना लिखा हुआ है 15. So here I have written it's a 15. 15 multiplied by h equal to 168. Afterward, h is equal to 168 upon 15. After cancellation you will get it's a 11.2 meter. Now afterward we know that area of trapezium is equal to 1/2 sum of parallel sides multiplied by height. So here from this triangle I have find out the height of this triangle. So height of this triangle it will be height of trapezium. So height right now we have I have find it's a 11.2 meter. So let us see 1/2 sum of parallel sides. So here sum of parallel side it is 25 meter and 10 meter. So 25 plus 10 multiplied by height. Height we have already find out it's 11.2 meter. After adding 25 plus 10 you will get it's a 35. 35 multiplied by 11.2. Then after cancellation you will get it's a 5.6. 35 multiplied by 5.6 you will get 196.0. So overall the answer is coming 196 meter square. Yes. After Heron's formula and we have done 2 questions. After that we will solve one more question which is the important one. So you will find what is the question and how you will solve it. First of all, let us understand difference of semi-perimeter and side. So what do you call it difference of semi-perimeter and side? Semi-perimeter it means it is represented by S. Sides it is represented by A, B or C. So difference of semi-perimeter and side it means it's a S minus A, S minus B or S minus C it will be. So that's why on the basis of difference of semi-perimeter and sides here I have given you one question and how it can be solved. Let us see. Now the question is the difference between the semi-perimeter and the sides of the triangle ABC are 8 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively. Find the area of triangle. It means difference between semi-perimeter and the sides. It is given. So you will focus on this point, semi-perimeter and side. It's a difference. It means the value of S minus A is given 8. S minus P it is given 7, S minus C it is given 5 centimeter. So I have written in the solution since it is a given that S minus A is equal to 8 centimeter, S minus B is equal to 7 centimeter, S minus C is equal to 5 centimeter. All the difference between semi-perimeter and sides I have noted here. After that what will you do? You can consider it's a number 1, number 2, number 3. So add all these 3. So I have written here it's adding 1, 2 and 3. So we will get S, 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 it will be 3S. Minus A, minus B, minus C, as it is I have written here. After that, 8 plus 7 plus 5. Now, you can take minus common from here. So, you will get inside the bracket itself A plus B plus C. After adding all these, you will get it's a 20. One thing more, I have told you the formula is S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. Now, 2, it's a cross multiply here. 2S is equal to A plus B plus C. So here it's a 2S is equal to A plus B plus C. I have written in place of A plus B plus C it's a 2S from here. So 3S minus 2S, after subtracting you will get it's a S. It means 1S you will get. So 1S is equal to 20. It means the semi-perimeter I have got it's a 20. And afterward, using the formula of area of triangle ABC, so inside the under root, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So the value of S it is 20. The value of S minus A you can pen down it from here. S minus B it is 7. S minus C it is 5. After that, do the factors of 20. So it will be 2 into 2 into 5. 2 to the 4, 5 the 20. Here also it's a 2 into 2 into 2. You will get it's 8. After that 7 as it is, 5 as it is. Now you are getting here it's a 1 pair of 2, second pair of 2, and here it's a 5. So 1 pair of 5 also you are getting here. So after multiplying it's a 2 into 2 into 5, you will get it's a 20, and here it is left 7 and 2, 7 to the 14. It means overall the answer is coming 20 under root 14 centimeter square.